Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from McGrath Estate Agents and welcome to our latest listing on the range. 39 Mary Street is a great home. Why don't you take a quick tour? We'd love to show you around. You can just imagine the lifestyle here at 39 Mary Street, the range. We've got this amazing backyard with panoramic views, kids cubby house, this wonderful deck that connects seamlessly to the indoor and outdoor space of this home. You can just imagine yourself footy on, barbecue going, and cold drinks in the fridge. I hope you love this place just as much as I do. And if we can help you, call 39 Mary Street home. Why don't you give the team at McGrath a call today? We would love to help you out.